Hello and welcome Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to be looking at the link between ratios, fractions, decimals, and percent. For each of these cases, they're very similar. We can find some really quick comparisons between them. Ratio, one of the ways we can write a ratio is like a fraction. So 5 to 8 is the same as 5 as the numerator, 8 is the denominator. As a decimal, okay, so this 8 does not go nicely into 10, into 100, into 1,000. So we do a really quick, how many times does 8 go into 5? Doesn't go in at all. 8 times 6 is 48. 2 left over. 16, 4 left over. That's going to be a 5. So the decimal is 0.625. And as a percent, we know that's going to be, move it over 2, multiply it by 100. So it's going to be 62.5 or 62.5%. If we start with a fraction of 3/5 ratio, okay, that's your first term, 3 to 5, okay. As a decimal, okay, we need to get, so our base is out of 10 or out of 100. So if we multiply it by 2, we get 6 over 10, or 6/10. And as a percent, I'm going to multiply it by 100, or move the decimal over 2 spots, and get 60%. If we start with the decimal, 0.75, all right, so multiply it by 100, that's 75%. As a fraction, all right, so 75 over 100, both of those divide by 25, so that's the same as 3/4, or as 3 to 4. So all of these are going to be equal to each other. All right, 18%, so I'm going to divide by 100, or move the decimal 2 spots to the left, 0.18. Percent is, to decimal, it's at 18 over 100. Both of those divide by 2, so that would be 9/50. I don't think we can go any lower than that, so it's the same as 9 to 50. So ratios, fractions, decimals, and percents, the same number can be written in a wide variety of ways, but they're all equivalent, they're all equal to each other. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional notes and assignments.